Assalamu alaikum viewers and hello everyone. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern. It's so easy and pretty pattern, and you can make any project very quickly. Poncho, baby blanket. So I will show you step by step. You can make baby's dress, many things with this pattern you can make. It's easy and finish quickly. I hope you will like it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This pattern multiple 6. I have 12. I'm gonna make 24. So small model. Make 24 times 6, 6 for baby blanket. Then plus 1. Okay. So I'm gonna make just 24 chains, then plus 1 for my model. So I have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I have 24 chains. So this pattern multiple 6. I'm gonna add one more plus 1. So make single crochet row. First row single crochet. I'm using 4mm hook and 3 ply yarn. This yarn recommend 4mm hook. You should read your yarn's label. They always recommend hook size on the label. So I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end. Viewers, I am at the end. I have 24 single crochet. I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, chain 3. Then I'm gonna turn my work 1, 2. In third, I'm gonna make double crochet. 2 double crochet, then chain 1, then 2 more double crochet in same stitch. Then 1, 2 skip. In third, make single crochet, yarn over, skip 2, 1, 2. In third, again make pen 1, 2, chain 1, 1, 2. In third, 1, 2 skip. In third, make again pen 1, 2, chain 1, 2 more in there, 1, 2. In third, 1, 2. In third, make shell again, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, same place. So yarn over. Here I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3. I have 3 stitch. Last one at the end one, I'm gonna make double crochet. Okay, like this. I hope you can see well. So 1, 2, 3. Turn. Here I'm gonna yarn over front post. Okay, 1 front post, 2 front post, yarn over. I'm gonna make in where I made 1 chain. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet there, then chain 1, then same space one more double crochet, then 2 front post, like this. Yarn over, again 2 front post, one double crochet in the chain space, then chain one more double crochet in same space, then 2 front post. Front post, chain one in the chain space, one double crochet, chain one, same space, one more double crochet, then 2 front post, so we will remember this multiple 6, then plus 1. One front post, one in the chain space, then chain one, same space, one more double crochet, then 2 front post, then last one in this top of this in chain 3, so like this. So chain 3, so here viewers, you have to notice I'm gonna make which I made in the chain 2. You can see here 2 double crochet, so I'm gonna make that with them front post 1, then 2 here, 1 2, then chain 1, then 2 more in the chain space, 1 more, so 1 front post. You can see 1 row like this for this pattern. So again front post, then in where is the chain 1, I'm gonna make that 1 2, chain 1, 2 more there, double crochet, then front post here, then next same process, one 2, then chain 1, then 2 more the space, same space, 1 front post. This easy and lovely pattern, even beginner can make this. Okay, here 2 1 2, chain 1, 2 same space, 2 more, then here, then at the end double crochet, chain 3, so you can see this pattern how it's look like. Okay, again I'm gonna make here and here. This four I'm gonna make again here. Front post, two front post, then one here there, one chain one, then one more there, one row like this. Again front post, one in the chain space, chain one more there, two front post, next two front post, one double crochet in the chain space, chain one, then one more, next two front post, last one. So you can see how it's this pattern brilliant. This is front side. Chain three again, 1 2 3, again same one front post. So remember, one time one front post, then here two, 1 2, chain one, then two more, total 4 in the chain space one time. So in one row like this, 4 in the chain space, among them one chain one, so then one front post, again one front post, chain one, so viewers, this pattern I'm gonna continue like this. So if you want to make baby blanket, make 24 times 6 6, then plus 1, then make 62 rows for baby blanket. Then you can make the border. So I'm gonna continue like this. I'll show you at the end. Two, chain one, two more there, so what's going on? chain 1, 2 more there, one front post. So at the end double crochet. So now I will show you at the end. I hope you understand this pattern now. It's so easy pattern. Okay viewers, I'm gonna stop this model here. You can see it's pretty good for baby blanket, baby's dress and poncho. You can make many things with this pattern. It's easy and pretty and finish very quickly. So it's really good pattern. I hope you will love this pattern. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for a nice compliment.